Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, my name is Hamza Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the part 4 of Unit 3 Women's Role in Our Society. This lesson is from the book of Grade 8. So, in this lesson we are going to know about the use of commas. Use of comma to separate an introductory phrase containing a verb from the main sentence. A comma tells readers that the introductory phrase has come to a close and that the main part of the sentence is about to begin. The comma will indicate the boundary between the introductory phrase of the sentence and the main idea. For example, looking for help. The man fell on his knees to beg. Now, this is the introductory phrase, looking for help, and the main idea is the man fell on his knees to beg. On our walk in the zoo, we saw a variety of birds. On our walk in the zoo is the introductory phrase, and we saw a variety of birds is the main idea. Use of quotation marks or inverted commas to enclose a direct quotation. Direct quotations are another person's exact words, either spoken or written, incorporated in your own writing. Anything which is not part of those exact words must be placed outside the quotation marks. For example, direct quotations by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam said, "Expect the best, prepare for the worst." These are his exact words, which are inside the quotation marks. Number 2. Pakistan is proud of her youth, particularly the students, who are nation builders of tomorrow. They must fully equip themselves with discipline, education, and training for the arduous task lying ahead of them. Failure is a word unknown to me. Number 4. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. So that's it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Compete Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And also like our Facebook page Compete Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.